Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 6. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to explain and read unit number 11, which is about exploring space. This is the title page of your amazing science book. Topic is exploring space, unit number 11. Space stations stay in orbit. So here we have this picture of space station and relay valuable information about space as well as Earth. First of all, students, what are probes? First of all, we have the proper definition of probes. Until now, human beings have traveled into space only as far as the moon, about 380,000 kilometers away. But they have sent robot spacecrafts very much further. These have visited distant planets. Robot spacecrafts are called space probes. What he is saying, what is the meaning of space probes? What he is saying about the space probes, he is telling you about the fact that कि अब तक इंसान ने कितना स्पेस के बाहर ट्रैवल किया है, प्लैनेट अर्थ से बाहर स्पेस में कितने दूर तक, मून तक, विच इज़ अबाउट 380,000 किलोमीटर्स। लेकिन इससे आगे हमने रोबोट और स्पेस क्राफ्ट्स को सेंड किया है साइंटिस्ट ने, एंड दे हैव विजिटेड डिस्टेंट प्लैनेट्स, और उन्होंने बहुत दूर जो प्लैनेट्स मौजूद हैं उनको भी विजिट किया है थ्रू रोबोट स्पेस क्राफ्ट्स, और वी कॉल दीज रोबोट क्राफ्ट्स एज स्पेस प्रॉप्स। हम इनको स्पेस प्रॉप्स कहते हैं। स्पेस प्रॉप्स क्या चीज़ लेके जा सकते हैं? यस, दे कैन कैरी कैमरास, मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स टू स्टडी द प्लैनेट्स. Most probes study a planet as they fly past it, but some actually land on the planet and report back from its surface. कुछ स्पेस प्रॉप्स ने सिर्फ वहाँ से गुजरते हुए, फ्लाई करते हुए प्लैनेट्स को ऑब्जर्व किया है, और कुछ को स्पेस प्रॉप्स को प्लैनेट्स के अंदर भी लैंड करके ऑब्जर्वेशंस हासिल किए हैं साइंटिस्ट्स ने. व्हाट इज सैटेलाइट स्टूडेंट? A satellite can be defined as any object, either man-made or naturally occurring, that orbits or circles around something else. So what is satellite? Satellite कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो सकता है, वो man-made, artificial भी हो सकता है, natural भी है. हमारे पास सैटेलाइट्स की एग्जांपल्स हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मून, आवर अर्थ आर द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट्स, और मैन-मेड सैटेलाइट्स भी हैं जो इंसान ने खुद, साइंटिस्ट ने खुद बनाई हैं, जो किसी भी सर्कल में अपने ऑर्बिट में मूव कर रहे हैं, इज कॉल्ड सैटेलाइट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल मून ऑर्बिट्स अराउंड द अर्थ एंड इज दस अ सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. द अर्थ ऑर्बिट्स अराउंड द सन एंड इज ए सैटेलाइट ऑफ द सन. अदर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ नेचुरली अकरिंग सैटेलाइट्स आर कॉमेट, एस्ट्रॉइड्स एंड अदर प्लैनेट्स. ऑल दीज आर द हेवनली बॉडीज which are present in the space, in the universe. Artificial satellites. First of all, he is telling you about the artificial satellites. These are the satellites which are put into orbit by man, जो इंसान ने खुद ऑर्बिट में सेंड किए हैं, स्पेस में सेंड किए हैं, उनको हम आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स कहते हैं. द फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट वॉज स्पुतनिक 1. सबसे पहली मसनूई आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट का नाम क्या था? स्पुतनिक 1, विच वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय द सोवियत यूनियन, जिसको रशिया ने, सोवियत यूनियन ने लॉन्च किया था ऑन 4 अक्टूबर 1957. Sputnik 2 was launched on 3rd November 1957. It carried the first living passenger, which was a dog named Laika. Now, almost 50 years later, there are thousands of satellites orbiting the Earth at various heights. और अगर अब देखा जाए 50 years के बाद कि अब हज़ारों सैटेलाइट्स अर्थ के गिर्द ऑर्बिट में मौजूद हैं एट डिफरेंट और वेरियस हाइट्स. द मोशन ऑफ ए सैटेलाइट और स्पेस स्टेशन इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द अर्थ्स ग्रेविटी. वंस लॉन्च्ड in the appropriate orbit, these man-made spacecrafts orbit the Earth without any propulsion speed because satellites have a specific orbital speed to move around the Earth depending on their distance from the center of the Earth. So students, here we have the interesting pictures of artificial satellite in the orbit. Look here, all these are the space props or space aircrafts, and this is the picture of artificial satellite. Next students, we have the understanding of types of geocentric orbits. What is geocentric orbit? An orbit around the Earth is called geocentric orbit. जो ऑर्बिट हमारे अर्थ के इर्द मौजूद है उसको जियोस्टेशनरी ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. इट हैज़ 3 टाइप्स: लो अर्थ, मिडल अर्थ, हाई अर्थ. जो लो अर्थ ऑर्बिट है इट इज़ अप टू 2000 किलोमीटर्स. जो मिडल अर्थ ऑर्बिट है इट इज़ फ्रॉम 2000 टू 36,000 kilometers, and which is high earth orbit, it is above the 36,000 kilometer. Next we have 2 types of satellite orbits. One is polar orbit. What is polar orbit? This is the definition of polar orbit, students. The satellite is in orbit over the Earth's pole. It travels from north to south around one side of the Earth. So here students, it travels from north to south as shown in this picture around one side of the Earth, and then back from south to north on the other side. The Earth is also spinning beneath the satellite. हमारी अर्थ जो प्लैनेट है अर्थ ये भी स्पिन कर रहा है, मूव कर रहा है इस सैटेलाइट के अंडर, beneath the satellite. Hence it appears that the satellite is traveling in a spiral track. Spiral means circular track over the Earth's surface. Next students, we have the geostationary orbit, and here we have this picture of geostationary orbit, which is different from the polar orbit. This satellite travels eastwards in an orbit directly above the equator. It is at a height of about 36,000 kilometers and takes 1 day to make one complete orbit, since the Earth is spinning beneath it in the same direction. It appears to remain stationary at one point on the equator. So here we have the picture of geostationary orbit. What are the uses of satellites, students? Number 1 is communication satellite. These satellites are used to relay telephone messages and radio and television signals. It is due to satellite such as these that we are able to watch live events like sports being played anywhere in the world. आप अपने टेलीविजन पे जितने भी लाइव इवेंट्स को देखते हैं वो सब कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट्स की हेल्प से देखते हैं. Here we have the picture of receiving satellite dish. These are the pictures which shows different geocentric inner surface, geocentric outer surface, heliocentric inner and heliocentric outer in the form of graphs or pictures. Next students, in the uses of satellites, if we look further, more uses of satellites. Earth observation satellites, yes, some artificial satellites carry instruments. कुछ artificial satellites ऐसी हैं जो instruments को लेके जाती हैं, that gather and send back information, जो information को collect करती हैं उसको वापस send करती हैं Earth पे about the Earth and its surrounding. This information is of great value to weather forecasters, scientists, military planners, फार्मर्स और फिशरमैन. इन सब के लिए ये इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लैंडसैट इज द एग्जाम्पल, इज वन ऑफ मैनी सच स्टेशंस. इट हैज़ एन ऑर्बिट. इसका ऑर्बिट कितना है? ऑफ अबाउट 1/3/4 hours as it passes overhead Landsat views a strip of the Earth's surface. The information collected is used to study such things such as water pollution. Next students, we have navigation satellites. Yes, these satellites are used to transmit data so that ships and aircraft can locate their position to within 100 meters. Astronomical satellites, yes, these are designed to study heavenly bodies like moon, sun, stars. What is space station? It is a large spacecraft that stays in orbit all the time. Scientists stay in it and carry out assigned experimental work. Scientists space stations में stay करते हैं और वहाँ experimental work perform करते हैं to study different objects. In 1977 and 1988, two cosmonauts, Musa and Vladimir, spent a year in space stations. In the last students, we have the concept of global positioning system, GPS. GPS stands for global positioning system. Is a space-based global navigation system that provides reliable location and time information in all kinds of weather and at all times. हर तरह के मौसम में, हर तरह के टाइम में आपकी हेल्प करता है GPS सिस्टम टू लोकेट एनी लोकेशन और टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है आपको. इट इज़ मेंटेन्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द अमेरिका बट इज़ freely accessible to anyone with a GPS receiver. Next students, we have the solved exercise of our unit number 11. Look here students, answer the following questions. Question number 1, part A. We get information about distant planets from robot spacecraft called space probes. Part B. A satellite is object that orbits or circles around something else. For example, the moon is a satellite of the earth. Number C. Artificial satellites are put into orbit by man. The motion of a satellite is directly related to the earth's gravity. Once launched in the appropriate orbit, these satellites orbit around the earth without any propulsion speed because they have specific orbital speed to move around the earth depending on their distance from the center of the earth. Part D. The first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1, which was launched by the Soviet Union on 4th October 1957. Two types of satellite orbits are polar orbit and geostationary orbit. Next in the exercise work, we have question number 2, navigation satellite. Yes, it transmits data to ships and aircraft to locate their positions. Number 2, communication satellite. It relays telephone messages, radio and TV signals. Astronomical satellite, yes, it is designed to study heavenly bodies. Earth observation satellite, yes, it sends back information about the earth and its surroundings. And the last, space station, it is a large spacecraft that stays in orbit all the time. In the last students, we have question number 3, draw a line to show the orbits of the following satellites. So here we have the polar orbit and geostationary orbit. You have to label it properly as given in your book. Last question number 4 is about GPS. What is GPS? GPS is a space-based global navigation system. It provides location and time information in all kinds of weather at any time and anywhere on the earth. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah